Every year, Samsung usually sticks to the same pattern when it comes to its foldable phones. The company launches one new book-style fold model, a new clamshell flip model, updates a few things, and moves on to the next generation. Last year, though, Samsung slightly changed that strategy by introducing two flip models instead of just one. And this year, it looks like the company is preparing to do something similar with the Fold lineup as well. Recent leaks suggest that Samsung could actually be working on two different Fold devices instead of just one, and the names being mentioned are the regular Galaxy Z Fold 8 and another model called the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Wide. The regular Galaxy Z Fold 8 is expected to replace last year's Fold model as usual. The Fold 8 Wide, however, is rumored to come with a wider display than the regular model. And now a fresh leak is giving us a closer look at both devices. Popular tipster Ice Universe recently shared images of protective cases that were reportedly listed on Alibaba for the two phones. Of course, these are only cases and not the actual devices themselves, but case leaks usually give a rough idea of the phone's shape, button placement, camera layout, and overall size. So even though nothing is official yet, people are already paying close attention to the details shown in the images. Along with the case photos, a real-life hands-on video of the cases also made its way online. When both cases are placed side by side, the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Wide clearly looks different from the regular Galaxy Z Fold 8. The wide version appears noticeably wider while also looking shorter. One of the biggest complaints some people have had about Samsung foldables over the years is the narrow cover display. Compared to normal smartphones, the outer screen on many Fold devices can feel tall and slim. But if these leaks are accurate, the Fold 8 Wide may finally move closer to the shape of a regular smartphone display, which could make typing, watching videos, and general use feel more natural without opening the phone. The camera setup also seems a little different based on the case design. The Z Fold 8 Wide features a dual camera setup compared to the triple setup on the Z Fold 8, so the cutout on the Fold 8 is noticeably bigger than the wide version with an LED flash sitting beside them. Earlier leaks already pointed to the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Wide using a 4:3 aspect ratio display. That marks a pretty big change from Samsung's usual foldable screen shape. A wider display like this could make apps, videos, and multitasking feel noticeably different compared to previous Fold models. For now, though, there's still very little official information available about either device. Samsung hasn't confirmed anything yet, and these details are still based entirely on leaks, rumors, and case listings. As always, things could still change before launch. Still, if the rumors turn out to be accurate, Samsung may finally be trying something different with its foldables instead of following the exact same formula every single year. And honestly, that alone already makes this year's Fold lineup more interesting to watch. That said, do consider subscribing to the channel for daily tech updates, don't forget to turn on post notifications, and I'll see you guys on the next one.